Hey guys, this is Shatadru from Crypto Community of Bengal, and I hope you people are doing great. So I thought of making this video. This is going to be our first video of Crypto Community of Bengal, and we will be going to post it on YouTube. We are going to make it very raw, and I thought of making this because we are in a phase where there are a lot of learning is involved, and I believe you must know this. And this is a time when you learn properly, it can be helpful, and you can actually make a lot of money during the bull run. Although I'm not saying this is not a bull run, but still, this is kind of a sideways movement we are seeing in BTC, and hopefully, we will see the another bull run in future. But the things are not very much clear at this moment. So I thought of making this video to let you know, to understand or do some technical analysis for yourself, so that you can you can make a good money out of it. So you can see here, this is a platform called TradingView. You can use Binance also. I use both platforms. You can see this is I use Binance. This is a Binance platform, and this is the TradingView Binance TradingView option. So you can just create one, two such things. WazirX is also having such things. Even CoinDesk, any crypto platform is having their own chart, and this is a candlestick. So this is a one-day chart. You can just click here and can select whatever the chart you want. So I hope many of you know that I don't have to go there. So I'm at the one-day chart, and if you see the BTC's movement over here, you can see this is the phase. If I just see, this is almost October, when the BTC was at 10,000, and since then, I mean, this is October 2020. And since this, BTC has went up to almost 6 times, 6.5 times, I mean 6.5 times, almost 7 times BTC has went up. These were the phase where people accumulated a lot, and especially the wealth, big money holders, and they actually started selling over here. Now, if you see this, if I just draw a particular chart, you can see this is the BTC is having a sideways movement. So all I do is, let's say I am drawing a pattern at this candlestick level, at this 45,000. This is going to be a very important zone here, 45,000, and at the top I will be, let's say I'm making this as a portion, maybe at this one. Let's say this is the top portion. Okay, you can see BTC in a sideways movement. And if I just go here, this is another important zone for BTC. What happened over here when, I mean, if you see that how much high we have made here, if I take a measurement from October, let's say this was a down, this was a down. Let's say October has having a this down, which is 3,800. This is on September 4th, 3,000. So let's see how much we went up. Can you see this, guys? How much we went up? I mean, if I just zoom in, it's almost 15 1536%, 1536%, 1000%. Great. So if something goes to 1000%, then it's obvious it should come back. I mean, you know the theory, how hard you throw the ball into the sky, it will fall down even more faster. Now, if you have 1000% up, and how much loss we are in, how much correction we have seen so far. We have seen correction so far. If I select this point, which is, it's showing 24, but it's actually not. We actually went up to 29,000 as per BTC. This is BitBay, but as per the BTC, we went up to 54% from the all-time high, 54. So that means it's nothing in front of 1500 times 1500% what you have got. So this is the first thing. So that means there's a huge chance of market crash down. And I personally believe, if you ask me, I believe I would love to see BTC at least here at 16,000, and when there will be a proper bearish run, maybe I would love to see BTC at 12,000 at this level, at least. I don't know what's going to happen, but let's do the analysis here. If we do the analysis, we will never be in loss. See here. Now what BTC is doing here, I'm not drawing any EMAs. You can see all my EMAs and these things are closed, so I don't want it to go into that zone. What this EMAs and all, you don't have to understand on this video, because you know, hopefully you know, and those people who don't know, I will probably make another video for that. Now what I wanted to quickly show you here, if you see this BTC's pattern over here, this pattern, if you just watch it, I will draw another line here, another line over here, maybe this one. Now look at this BTC's movement, how BTC is reacting in 1-day chart. Wells have accumulated enough here, more than almost 1000% profit from here. If I just quickly draw, you can see BTC almost gave them here at this point 670%, enough. Your bank gives you 5% in a year. This is not even a year, 6 months, 600%. Now when BTC hit that list, this level, almost 800-900%, boom, some sell off. That's the first indication. Although we had an indication, but still this was the first sell off. And that means these are the position. You can see there was not massive sales. The sales, I mean massive sell offs we have seen at this level. Then we went up, and we were seeing this is a phase of distribution. Okay, we call it the phase of distribution. So what is our distribution means? They are actually taking the money out of the market. Taking off again, goes little bit up. This is basically the retail investor like you, me. Many of you might be interested. You got overwhelmed by hearing Dogecoin is going to sky, Dogecoin is going to sky, Dogecoin is going to sky. People started, the retail investors started investing here. Many retail investor at this level, 45,000 goes up. They got even more excited, they posted, and what happened next is again this well started selling off. Market goes up, Dogecoin is almost 50, boom, 57 Dogecoin to the moon, and then dumb, 47 again move. Now you can see this is a double head pattern already here. 1-2 rejection at this level, down, break this level, one candle here. You can see this there's a pattern. You can see one candle here, down. Now we are at this phase. After enough accumulation, you can see we have been thrown to this phase. Now you can see this, what happened over here. Now what happened here? What's going on right now? See this. We break here, then we make another level of consolidation phase here. This is another level of consolidation portion like this. What is happening here? Here two things are there. One, this level. Second is this current level made another level of resistance, which is 35. And we have another level of support at this 32,000. Okay, 31, 32. This is another level of strong support. You can see this is the 31, 32. This zone is another strong support. Over the top, we see 42,000, 41 to 42,000 as a major resistance. Resistance means where market is getting rejected. So this is our rejection point. Okay, this is our rejection point. So let me just draw it for you. Maybe we will just draw it. So this is the way you can actually do it. It's good, it's easy. So you just need to select like this. So let me make it this as a rejection level, and let me put it a color red. Red means this is a danger, and this portion is our support. They will support me. So here market cannot go up. Now what market is doing, what mistakes we are doing? See, this is currently if I go to BTC, it's currently, you can see dropping down here. See the beautifulness of the chart. Down. 35,000 today, it went up, rejected, going down. Now what mistakes if you are doing, and you will be knowing how to, you can see different values because we are having a different platform. Now what mistakes people do? People don't buy here. People don't do charts, and because people don't do charts, then problem is people don't understand where to place orders, right? So this is another common problem we make, and that's where we lose our money. Now this is our important zone. We lose our money. I don't want you to lose our money. If you're in a community of Bengal, crypto community of Bengal, you shouldn't lose your money. Now what is happening here? Look at this chart. What's happening? What beautiful thing is happening? We were here yesterday at some 32 level, here somewhere 32, 32 at this level, and then market obviously will go up because this is a strong support. And if you want to place an order in alts, you have to place order here. Where you have to sell? You have to sell at this level, because again you will be getting rejected. Now this is what is happening. You can see a phase. Now what experts, there are many YouTubers are saying that this is a accumulation phase, and from this accumulation, this consolidation phase to accumulation, and from accumulation to boom, next level 60, 65,000, 70,000, all time high. I have a doubt. I have a serious doubt. I don't know what's going to happen. If good, good, but still we have to be very safe about with our money. Now what should be your strategy? See here. What should be what I am strategy? What I'm following the strategy. Yesterday you have seen I have made money. How I made money I will tell you. I will show you in this video. This video is going to be a little bit longer than expected. Now what is happening? What is happening here? You can see we are at 34, 33. I am expecting today to get dumped again to 32. All you need to do if you want to save, you don't have to worry about the market. Market will give you profit unless or until you are a long-term investor. You can buy in a dip, but if you are a trader like me, so you can always place order here. You place order here, sell it here. This is a simple logic. Place order here, sell it here. Don't expect it to be 50, 60,000. 10% profit, 3% profit, 4% profit, enough. Enough for a day. Enough for a day. That is what you don't have to be greedy into this market. If you do this, you can make a good amount of money. You can't, you may be in loss. Second thing, how you know where the market will go up or where you should place order. Some people ask me where we should place order. This is your point. This is your point. This is support level, resistance level. Let's say, how can I know market will go up? How can I know market will go up? Let me show you. Let's say if this market create 1, 2, some 3 candles over here. At least 1, 2 candles. Then you can expect market to go up. You can expect market to go up. Similarly, you see here 1, 2 up. If you want to see it rejected, what is the pattern? 1, 2 candles down below and it will get rejected. 90% time it will follow this. Rest of the times, Elon Musk type people who will be posting a lot of things, and then you can't do that, right? You can't sell off the things. There are other factors also. I don't want to go to all the technicalities right now, but for now, for this kind of phase is very tricky, and you have to follow this. Sell here, buy here. Don't buy here. Don't buy here unless you see 1, 2 candles over here. Then you can expect you should place buy order so that market can sell off from here. Understand? You have to sell here. You don't expect you will go to 50,000. You buy here, sell it here, again buy it here, again sell it here. This is the pattern. Best way to earn money, and you will be safe. Your money will be safe. Similarly, how can we short? If I want to short, I will wait till here. BTC break 29,000, 1 daily candle chart finishing here, or 1, 2 candle hit here, rejected, down. That means what I'm trying to say is here is, let's say BTC 1 candle is finishing here, 1 candle, second candle going little bit down, then coming back here, then I can expect it to go down. Similarly here, how can I expect it to go up? 1 candle hitting the support, going up. This is the strategy. Okay, this is the strategy what we need to follow, and we will never be in loss. What here is like a very important factor which currently playing out into the market. Let me show you in 4 hours chart. You can understand it even better, I think. So this is 4 hours chart. See, same thing happening. See how beautifully it is following our chart. 1 knock, second knock, third knock. This is something important. Again and again this things is getting tested. Here we have 1 test, 2 test. Here we have 1 test, 2 test, 3 test, third test, again getting rejected. Here it hit. I will love to see it at 24,000, but for today market may go to 32,000. Maybe tomorrow or day after I'm expecting it 32,000. If it has to go up, it has to follow this pattern. It has to come over here and then it can go. So this level we will be following. There are other parameters, but this is mostly, if you follow 90% time, you'll be making profit out here. So this is our 4 hours chart, how this things is working. Now, what is the good news? This is called BTC USDT shorts. So you can see why last few days was a bloodbath. This is the reason. This is the number of shorts position. That means people place sell order, at so many level. Now again it got rejected. Again people so much. We know 25th June. See how much. Obviously market will fall because people are selling, and this red color means selling when people are closing their shorts order. Now there is a high chances of people putting longs. Okay, so yesterday that happened because market is killing both side. Market is killing both side. Those people are shorting. Market today went up, shorters got down. Today people are making it long. I am expecting this to go up. I am expecting it to go up and market fall down to 32,000. Now coming to alt, how you should deal with the alt. Same here. Alt, you see, alt is currently is at this level. Okay, currently at this level. Got rejected at this 47% dominance. This is the BTC dominance level. Okay, and this is we are having a chart. This is again in a phase. Now BTC will be coming down to 46, where alt will, at least BTC has to spend some time at this level, then alt will be some relaxation it will get. Otherwise what will happen? BTC will come down to 1%. BTC will hit here 32,000. You will be seeing alts are bloodbathing there. Red zones, all the red zones over here. Now how you can make profit? You can see, you don't have to do, you just have to draw simple lines. Wherever you feel support. Yesterday I showed that I made some good money. How I made money. If you are in our Telegram group, you know how I placed, how I ordered almost like 50%, 60% profit I made just in some, how much, 8 minutes. How? This is the support level where I see a red level. See red connection. I expected one. See how you have to place orders. Negative orders, short orders. See, first green candle rejected, second red candle rejected, third green candle rejected. I placed a order for short up to where? Up to this much. Done. Second thing, market goes up. This is called RSI. This is called stock RSI. You can just go here in this settings, technical indicator. You have to get the RSI, and this is a MACD. What is the advantage of MACD and RSI? Look, when MACD and RSI, this is the ideal condition. When MACD and RSI both are in the down zone, you see this is the RSI is also in down. MACD is also in down. RSI is also down. Now this recommends that market is a overselling zone. मतलब market में जितना उसका औकात है उससे ज़्यादा बेच दिया है. So that means right now market has to buy back. So this is the zone where you will be seeing people are buying. So obviously if you place order this position, boom, see here, see this level where we went, almost this level 35,000, where we were 32,000. How much increase? $2,000 increase. And alts, you have seen what happened to ICP. See, right now there are many alts are there which are in a position which broke their downtrends. Like ICP has broke downtrend, Matic has broke downtrend, Link has broke downtrends, Dot has broke downtrend. There are many XLM has broke their downtrends. LTC has break down their altcoin. Their downtrend. All in a good position to go up, but this dominance is a fear factor for me. If this dominance goes up, and BTC goes down, there will be a bloodbath, and I am expecting this BTC has to finish at least 1 or 2 candle in which chart? In 1 hour. Oh, sorry, 1 day chart. At least 1 candle I will be expecting it to go down, then I will be bullish here. Right now, looking at the market, the way it's getting rejected, I am very much bearish. I expect it to come down to 32,000. Same thing happened. This is a 4-hour chart. Same thing happened. You see, this is a green candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles means 4 hours candle. That means 16 to 20 hours. 1 day approximately. You spent enough time over here, go up. This is what is a clear indication. I think you can understand this. See, market broke this chain, spent some little bit time, take a support. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, boom, up. This is how market works. If you see the downtrends also, same thing happens. You see, market goes down, 1, 2, 3 goes down. This is what you need to follow for these 2 cases. Whether market is bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. You can short and you can long and you can make profit. Just you need to follow this. Don't just place order here. Market sometimes do a bluffing. You can see market did a bluffing. You can see 1, 2, 3, market bluffed, market goes up. Don't get into the trap. This is called the trap. This is called a trap, where the trap happened. Don't get into the trap. At least wait for confirmation. This is what we call confirmation. 1, 2 down, support rejected down. This is where I will be placing order. I showed you here also where I have placed order. I waited till this confirmation. 3-4 confirmation I got. Where this one yesterday, 1 2 3 4th time rejected, I placed the order. So this is what my suggestion for you right now. BTC is in this condition, you can see this phase. So where to place order? At this level. If you see at least 1-2 candles is getting rejected again and again, it's not able to break this downtrend, it not break this support is strong enough, place order here and sell it here. Don't wait to go here, sell it at this position. Again, wait candles to go up here and then sell it here. This is the best way to make money into any market. You will never be in this loss. You don't have to learn a lot of technicalities, learn stock RSI. You just need to place orders in these places and at the down zones and sell it at the up zone, and the remaining is the candles. Just draw some lines wherever you are seeing the top portion. Just draw a line. You can see, you have seen this video where I have drawn this line. Same thing you have to do, and I'm telling you, you can make a good profit. And seeing this only, you have to place some good you have to place some alt orders because the dominance is so high. Remember, if you place alt, right now I'm not placing any alt order. Already I have placed here. I brought Link, I brought some Thor chains and so other coins. I'll not take the names that I shared in the group. So that things I have bought where here, not at here. Already I have sold few at this level because I know again it will come back. ICP sold, long back sold, because I know ICP will come down to here. At least ICP should come down to 35, 33 level. So this technical analysis, if you follow, things will be good. And if you don't want to do any trading, you can just do trading in BTC and make a good amount of money, 3%, 4%, 2%. You can get enough by doing long and short from BTC. Just do this. Understand where the things are getting rejected, where things are getting uplifted. This is what the pattern. Apart from that, you can just go to this settings, these functions, and you can create Bollinger Bands. You can create moving average, exponential, moving average, and all these things you can create. But if you are a novice, if you're just starting up, then just follow these things and just follow this. 90% time you can get the benefit. Yes, 1%, 10% you can't, because sometimes you will be seeing a long push out here. To avoid that, you have to make this is where your stop loss should be. So stop loss should be at this level. Anytime, even let's say I'm placing order here at this level, 1-2 confirmation, I placed order here. Now I don't know whether market will get that kind of rejection. So what I'll do, I'll put a strong stop loss at this level. Because I know if this is broken, then it can be gone. So I'll be placing my strong stop loss, and that will be based on my capacity. I will not follow this on someone else's capacity, but I will follow my own capacity. You can see BTC is right now moving since we have talked. See again, यहाँ पे देख सकते हो BTC में एक अप ट्रेंड आया है. ये वॉल्यूम है, दिस इज कॉल्ड वॉल्यूम. And because I'm showing you live on this BTC currently, you can see how this rejection line is working. See, very small portion and the rejection line. See, it's not able to, you can see this video how beautiful it looks. I mean, sometimes I just watch it. I mean, this is fun for me. You can see how this lines goes up, trying to push. Heavy battle goes on between these lines. See how these things is going up. Sometimes it's pushing it 31,200, again sometimes it's pushing it. You see, this is how the things work here. So I hope you understood. You can follow this trade view, you can follow this Binance, and you can obviously follow the crypto community of Bengal to get some good updates time to time. We are trying to post as many as things, and if you have a query, you can let us know in Telegram, or you can just let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much. That's it for the day. Do a safe trading. Bye bye. Take care.